Okay, you are not. Okay, I am ready. Fine. Shall we start the class, please? Good evening, good evening, good evening. Sophia, good evening. Come on. Good evening. One. Inform everyone to join as fast as possible, please. Abhi, good evening. Praveer, again online. Hi, sir. Excuse me, sir. Oh, my God, who is there? Vishwa, you are studying? After class, I will watch you. Vanakkam, sir. Sound. What creation? Hi, ma'am. Can you type your name, please? It will be better for me. If you will type your name, means I'll come to know you are student or not. Huh? Mire, what happened? Ma'am, Tarun came, ma'am. Tarun is your best friend, na? Huh? Gopika, yes, Gopika. Yeah. I now I remember. Yes. You just now only you joined online, na? Now only join. Inform ma'am. To inform everyone that class started. Eight. Yes, Gopika. I remember. I remember. Coffee नहीं? A foreigner. Ma'am, last 1 week. Hey, I heard one news about you. Is that news true? Should I say in full live class? I will not say. But seriously, one news I heard about foreigning. After, because if I laugh, means I keep on laughing. After, I heard foreigning, you are foreigning. Seriously, that happened or not, you say? Sir, please no. Huh? Oh, sorry. Vishwa, one news happened. Amma coming now. Seriously, she will. Good evening, ma. Inform everyone to join as fast as possible. Wait, Amma is coming. She will delete you today. She'll block you today. Wait. कुछ कर उसके बाद देख. Any unwanted message na seriously. That is good. After that, any unwanted message will come. Miss, today I will block you. I'm telling you. Now listen, hey. So application of trigonometry, I'm going to one line you write after that. कौन मैं मैम ना मेरा भूत मेरा बाप ना look at ये enough. No, I will not block you. I will not disturb you. You do whatever you wish to do. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't do anything, please. Right now, I am in a mood to teach Praveen. If you will do anything, again problem will start. So let no, I want to teach today. Seriously, you enjoy. I will all teach. Huh? But unwanted message, all right, please. Huh? Hey, what happened? Good evening, Shamila. Sir. Here, this side, this side, this side. Enjoy, you enjoy. I will not say one word also. I will not say. Hey, listen. See, I'm starting application of trigonometry. It should be very important. Anu, online, all the students you inform everyone to join as fast as possible. Once I start means I will not stop. I'm telling you. So after at all exam got finished, shall we have a fresh start please today? I told you one message unwanted given means seriously. Oh, ज़्यादा नहीं. Now listen, everyone please pay attention. Application of trigonometry I'm going to start. In that means you need to understand elevation and depression. Understood? So what is the meaning of elevation? How elevation? Huh? I want to talk about Porone, but not in public. After live class will be over, then we will have a strong because he was saved very near. I came to know about him. So okay, now listen. Shall we start our work, please? Hmm? Kuti monkey, silent. What to do? Now look at it. See, understand. So altitude finding means what? If you are standing. Huh, Prabhu, understood. Now listen, please understand one thing. When we are talking about elevation and depression and different type of angles, so first you need to understand that we will take the human or observer as a point object. Got it? So now you will be standing in front. You will be standing in front like you first understand this is exactly a building. So building we will be exactly considering as a vertical line. From the basics I'm starting please. Okay. Online students, everyone please kindly inform in the group that class started and tell them to join as fast as possible. Huh? So now listen. So here, just this is the observer. What is the observer? We are going to consider observer as point object. We are going to consider observer as point object. Understood? We are not going to consider the height of the observer. Many times in questions they are considering the height of the observer, but many times we are not considering the height of the observer. Understood? So we will be taking observer as a point object. What we are going to? We are going to consider it as point. Understood? Now look here. So when you will be standing here and it is exactly this building will be considered as foot of the tower. This building will be considered as what? Foot of the tower. So this part will be exactly considered. So A, B, C. So building definitely the building will be standing perpendicular to the base, understood or not? So the road or something, whatever you're going to talk about, that will be exactly horizontal and building will be standing vertical. And they will be making what degrees? 90 degrees. Understood? So what angle they are going to make is 90 degree. Understood? Understood everyone? So here they are making 90 degree. Now what is angle of elevation and how we are going to write angle of elevation, please? Understand one thing, angle of elevation. So when somebody will be asking you angle of elevation, so angle of elevation means when the observer will look at, means you are standing in ground floor and you are seeing the 10th floor. So definitely this is the baseline. From baseline your eye line has to go up. Understood? The line of sight will be going up. So when the line of sight is going up, definitely it is considered as elevation. You are staying on ground floor and you are watching something on 10th floor. Understood? The window of the 10th floor or the terrace you are watching. So definitely that will be considered as elevation. What it is going to consider as? What it is going to consider as? Elevation. Elevation means what? Base, it will be exactly going up. So line of sight will be this one. This will become line of sight. This will become what? Line of sight. What is that? Line of sight. Got it? So here this is exactly the base, and from this line exactly you are just making angle, and this is considered as what? Line of sight. What it is considered as? Line of sight. All the online children, Tarun, Sai, quickly respond to me. Otherwise, seriously, I'll take you out of the group. Maya, Ashish, many are there. Today, if anybody will not be, seriously, wait. 2 minutes. If in 2 minutes you will not respond. What is that? Grasshopper. Satya. Good evening, Satya. Saved yourself, Satya. Super. Praveen. Nice. Still two monkeys name I am not knowing. And online all other students like Harini is there. Ashwita is there. Gopika, I saw Kartika, Kavya, Anu, Mahalakshmi, and many are there. So please kindly write your names as fast as possible. Okay? Today I forgot to wear Vasha. Now look here. Hey, what? So this is exactly called as what? Elevation angle. This is Jeevitan is here only. Ashwita, good evening. Jeevitan is here only. Your best friend is asking. GV is there. GV, your best friend is asking. Praveen is asking. GV is here. I said GV is here only. Now look here. This is A over. This is theta, and this is what, beta? This is theta. This is angle of elevation. This is angle of elevation. What about Kavya and Kartika and Maha and Sophia? Now, sorry. Oh, Jasmita. Yeah, Jasmita name I forgot. Huh? So now look here. So this is the height of the building. Excuse me. This is the height of the A over height of the building. This is the base. Understood or not? So line of sight means when you will be standing on ground and you will be watching. Okay. Camera is blur. Now you check. Is camera blur? Is the camera blur? Sorry. Is it clear? So I am here. I am also here. Now listen. So what we are going to do here is we will understand that the angle of elevation means what? If somebody will be asking you angle of elevation means you are standing on road, okay, and you are watching the higher altitude objects like mountains, clouds, or anything which is above your height. Then what it is going to consider as angle of angle of elevation. What we are going to consider it as angle of elevation. We are going to consider it as angle of elevation. Consider it as angle of elevation. Understood? So from the baseline, when you are going to take it up, it will be considered as what? Angle of elevation. Understood? And the angle will be considered as theta. What the angle will be considered as? Theta. Angle of elevation. So theta will be considered as here angle of elevation, and it will be considered as theta. It will be considered as what? Theta. Got it? Now, please pay attention. That's it. Listen. So when you are finding the angle of elevation and when you are solving the question, what and all work you are actually doing, please kindly pay attention here. So when you need to find, so you need to understand that when you will be solving these type questions, it is just equal. Relax. Calm down. Come on. Now look here. First is like this is the building. If this is the building, okay, so height of the building is considered as 50 meters. One word. Now, the angle of elevation means one person named A is standing in this location. Done. Now, next, how to proceed with elevation angles and how to write the question based on that. So here it is A. Now, what is the degree here? Theta, and theta we can consider it as any angle. So let us consider it as 30 degree. Now here it will be considered as B, and here it is considered as C. Okay. So this part we don't know, correct? Now here 30 degree given. They're telling find the distance between the man and the foot of the tower. This is the tower. What is the height of the tower? 50 meter. What is the height of the tower? 50 meter. What is the angle of elevation made? Angle of elevation made is how much? 30. Now what they are asking, what is the distance between the man and the foot of the tower? The man and the foot of the tower. The man and the foot of the tower. So this one, this distance we don't know. So we will take it as x meter. What we are going to consider it as? X meter. So once we are considering it as x meter, now it's time for us to solve. So how to write the answer in the best possible way? Okay. So first we'll write in triangle. Which triangle? Jotam, tell me the best way of writing the triangle. Opposite by adjacent. Okay, fine. I'm taking it. Now next, please say ABC. Very good. So what we are going to write in triangle ABC. Jotam, after that, right angled at B. Always make it a habit of writing in triangle ABC, right angled at B. You must write this one. In triangle, everyone start writing please. In triangle ABC, right angled at B. In triangle ABC, right angled at B. No. In triangle ABC, right angled at B. So now you know that you need to find the base. So look here, always I told you, like this is angle and this is 90 degree, then this one will become base and this one will become perpendicular. Okay, height, whatever you are going to say. So base perpendicular, because Pythagoras theorem you are solving most of the time. Na? So by base, perpendicular and what you call hypotenuse, it becomes very easy for us to remember. Okay, so tan 30 degree. So yes, we will take tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular is BC and what is base AB. Tan 30 degree formula 1 by root 3. What is BC? 50. What is AB? We have to find. So we will shift cross multiply. AB is equal to 50 root 3 meters. 50 root 3 meters. What it is coming is 50 root 3 meters. Now pay attention for one thing. If they will give you the value of root 3, then you take it. If they will not give you the value of root 3 means don't take it. Just relax. Okay. Root 3 value is, what is the value of root 3 is 1.732. What is the value of root 3? 1.732. 1.732 will be the value of, is the value of root 3. I hope you might have got this point. Come on. So this is exactly how to solve the question. It is the most simplest question I have taken. Understood? And it is based on elevation. Elevation means what? Porani, what is elevation? Based on height. What is based on height? Anything say clearly. What is based on? Yes, absolutely correct, Gopika. It is coming as tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular by base. Super. I am asking one simple question from you. Now, what is elevation angle? I'm not asking a very high, ma'am. I am not understand. मैम आपका समझ नहीं आ रहा. सी लिसन, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग बेटा. सी हिंदी में कि इंग्लिश में? मगर मैं इंग्लिश में समझा रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं तमिलनाडु में हूँ और तमिलनाडु में इंग्लिश मतलब बच्चे समझेंगे, हिंदी में नहीं समझेंगे, इसीलिए नहीं बोल रही हूँ. तो अभी तुम बस एक बात ये समझ लो कि यहाँ पे एक बंदा खड़ा है और ये है तुम्हारा बिल्डिंग का फुट. ओके, तो यहाँ पे ये जो एंगल बना रहा है वो कितना डिग्री का बना रहा है? 30 डिग्री का. ओके, दिस इज एलिवेशन एंगल. ओके, नाउ इफ somebody will be asking you कि ये जो डिस्टेंस है उस बंदे का और फुट ऑफ द टावर का वो कितना होगा, कैसे निकालेंगे हम? तो हम ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का कॉन्सेप्ट ले सकते हैं. उसमें क्या करेंगे कि tan 30 डिग्री, एलिवेशन एंगल कितना है बेटा? एलिवेशन एंगल 30 डिग्री है एंड tan का तुमको पता है ना कि परपेंडिकुलर बाय बेस है. सो परपेंडिकुलर कितना है तुम्हारा? 50. जो हाइट ऑफ द टावर है, height of the tower is 50. So 50 by x, और x जो है तुम्हारा distance between the man and the base, that is the baseline, that will come as, so आ जाएगा ना, solve हो जाएगा. So 50 root 3. And beta, if they will be asking you, enough listen, if they will inform you that root 3 value is 1.732, then you explore and write AB is equal to 50 into 1.732, 0, 5 to the 10, 16, 35, 36. It will come coming. Hey, too much, yaar. After how many digits? So 86.6 meter. 86.6 meter. How much it is coming? 86.6 meter. I hope everybody understood this one. Understood? Is it tough or easy? I hope you might have understood. Yes, 86.6 meter. Yes, easy. Now better look here. That was only simple thing we have done. Aye, too much talking. This is the problem when you have offline online class. Ovian and you. Now look here. We will solve next question. Write the question, please. A tower is, I'm writing the question so that you can understand. A tower is 100 root 3 meter high. So beta, what is the height of the tower given? 100 root 3 meter. Okay? Yeah, when you are coming that time, you are also making noise. You remember that. Today you joined online now, so it is very noisy. Super. At least you understood now. Now look here, find the angle of elevation. This time we have to find angle of elevation. Find the, this one please close. Find the angle of elevation. Find the, yes, no, it is offline, online both. Find the angle of elevation of its top. Find the angle of elevation of its top from a point 100 meter away from its foot. 100 meter away from its foot. Okay. How to draw this first? Everyone, please pay attention. When you have written this part, how you are going to draw this? First, check this one out. Yes, Ila Varshan. Good evening, beta. Good evening, Ila. Come on, check this one out. Away from its foot. My voice is clear. Have others, please kindly inform. Answer is coming as? One time check everyone. My voice is clear. Now listen, beta. Now let's check this one out. A tower is, first see this one. This is the Jotam. This is the tower. And what is the height of the tower? Height of the tower is 100 root 3 meter. Understood? Now the person is standing here. Just let the point be A. This is the foot of the tower B, and this part is considered as C. Okay. The angle of elevation we don't know. So let the angle of elevation be theta. What is the angle of elevation? Theta. After that, what they are asking, beta, angle of elevation is theta. They are telling find the angle of elevation when the distance of the foot from this is exactly 100 meter. So how to proceed this and how to write in the best possible way. So we'll write in triangle, again in solution what we'll write? In triangle ABC, right angled at in triangle ABC, right angled at B. So when you are writing it as right angled at B, so now look here, angle ABC is coming as what, beta? What is the angle? Angle BAC is taken as theta. We will not write degree. So theta we will write. Next part, what it is exactly given? BC is height of tower. BC is what? Height of tower is coming as how much? 100 root 3 meter. Distance between AB is coming as 100 meter. Okay. So now we are going to use what formula, beta? We are going to use tan theta. So what is the formula for tan theta? Tan theta is equal to BC by AB. So when you are writing tan theta is equal to BC by AB, BC is coming as tan 100 root 3. By denominator part is 100. This will get cancelled. It is coming as root 3 meter. Sorry, root 3 is coming tan theta. So now beta, in which trigonometric value root 3 is coming? So we know that tan theta is equal to tan 60 degree. So theta will be equal to what? 60 degree. Note down, the angle is exactly coming as how much? 60 degree. Yes, absolutely correct, Maha. The answer is coming as 60 degree. Come on, did you understood? Everybody understood? Come on, say. So angle is exactly coming as 60 degree. Okay, fine. We'll solve the next question. Are you ready? The next question, listen. Did you understood? Tan theta perpendicular. Okay. निशान मैम आपने ये मैथ कहाँ से पढ़ी है? मैंने Oh, you want to know that from where I belong, huh? Now listen, beta. Did you note it? Okay, you are writing. That means what? I'll wait. No problem. Till then, can I write the next question, please? Write the question. Did you wrote the question? Did you wrote the answer? Vishwa, did you wrote the answer? Before leaving, I want to check your notes. So be very, very careful, right? The angle of elevation of the top of tower. Write down. Yes. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower of the top of a tower. I'm just first writing the question from a point on the ground. From a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower okay, which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30. Find the height of the tower. Okay, you need to find the height of the tower. Everyone please solve. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. Come on, try this question, please. Find the height of the tower. Yeah, 100%. Come on, try this. Everyone, try this question, please. Say 10 root 3 meters. Very nice. Which one? Huh? How much it is? First you tell me you are from class 10. Now listen. 135? 30 by? Okay, let's check this one out. This distance is given as how much, beta? 30 meter. Again, we will take this A, B, and C. And what is the angle of elevation? 30 degree. Let the height of the tower be h meter. Ask. Let the height of the tower be. Let the height of the tower be h meter. Kritika, that's it. Understood. Fine. Now let the height of the tower. Everyone go for live, please. I'm seeing only 3 people live. When all are there, please kindly take your name fast. So now, beta, in triangle ABC, right angle at B. Hey, Vishwa, in triangle ABC, right angled at B. So now, beta, right angle again it is coming as B. Angle is given, everything is given. Can we go for this? We can write tan 30 degree will be equal to what, beta? Again, height BC by AB. When you're writing tan 30 is 1 by root 3. BC is how much? We don't know. And this is root 3. You know what? The best possible way is whenever we are solving these type of questions, what we are actually doing here is when we are solving here, what we are actually doing here now, one simple technique you please remember. Question क्या था? So now look here. So here 1 by root 3 h by 30 is coming. So what we are going to do here is here we will multiply this. So it will become 30 by root 3 is equal to h. The moment you have written, so it will become 30 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. So it will come 30 root 3 by 3. So it is coming as 10 root 3 meter. How much answer is coming as? 10 root 3 meter. Come on, solve it please. It is coming as how much? 10 root 3 meter. So answer is coming as 10 root 3 meter. Understood? Come on, say. It is coming as what? 10 root 3 meter. Are you a monkey? Solve fast. This is coming as what? 10 root 3 meter. Nishant was about to ask one question. If it is connected to mathematics means 100% you can ask. Unwanted question means I can't say anything. Done? Note down please. Jotam. Everyone finished? Noted? Okay, I'm moving. But you must write it. How was your maths examination? Was it good? Maths exam was good? Exam will always be good. Score will tell, was it actually good? Correct? Exam will always be good. Scores will tell how you wrote. One student told paper thickness, writing skill, everything was pakka. How I wrote does matter. Correct, na? That's the most important thing. Come on. Shall I? Next question. Okay, this time you people will solve. Ready? Come on, online children. Come on, get ready for writing the answers as fast as type the answer as you solve means how much fast you are solving. Come on, send the answer as fast as possible. Write the question, please. Excuse me. I'm giving you that content. I'm not reading the question. So understand one thing. A circus artist is there. Circus artist, not circle. Okay, now listen. A circus artist is there, and that circus artist is doing what work is? He's just, na, circus art. Sometimes they're walking on rope, na, correct, na. So just understand. This is. Hi, Himanshu. So now look at. So if circus artist is there, and this is exactly the bamboo on which this rope is exactly fitted. Understand this? So this is the rope. Done. Now the artist has to walk in this rope. What he has to do? He has to walk in this rope. Okay. Hello, Himanshu. Himanshu. Okay, correct. So now look here, beta. He has to walk. So beta, here the rope is tied, making an angle of 30 degree. What is the angle it is making? Okay, what doubt I am not getting. So now listen. So here this is exactly the rope height. Now what they are telling that if this height is coming as 12 meter, then what will be the length of the rope? Come on, find it as fast as possible. What will be the length of the rope? What will be the length of the rope? Now we need to find the length of the rope here. So length of rope they are asking. Length of rope. So if length of rope they are asking, this will write as A, B, C. So exactly what they are asking, AC length. Length of rope means AC. Maha, come on, respond to me. Sharmila, Maha, Jasmita. Sai, Tarun, Ilavashan. What happened? You're saying thank you. Did you understood that? 24. Sleeping or solving? Yeah, I'm asking what is the answer? Come on, try this question out. See, listen. Yes, answer is 26. Let's check this one out now, beta. See, listen, hey. Definitely this will be 90 degree. Correct? 24. Okay, I think Mahalakshmi has given the answer 24. Himanshu has given the answer 26. Just check this one out. So now look at in triangle ABC solution. In triangle ABC, right angled at right angled at B. Now definitely angle is coming 30, but because we need not to find this one. Now see, we need hypotenuse and we need perpendicular. Understood? So hypotenuse and perpendicular, where it will be? If somebody will be asking you hypotenuse and perpendicular, then you will be saying it is sine theta. Correct now? So sine 30 degree, directly will write sine 30 degree is equal to perpendicular BC by AC. Sine 30 value is 1 by 2. What is BC? 12. Correct? And what is AC? We have to find. So cross multiply AC is equal to 12 to the 24 meter. So definitely what is the height of the rope? The height of the rope is coming as, answer is 24. Yes, the height of the rope is Abir. So height of the rope is how much beta? Height of the rope is coming as 24 meter. Got it? Now let's see another situation question. Are you ready for it? Another situation question. Are you ready, everyone? Come on, say. I'll tell you the situation and I'll tell you the question and then you need to find the answer. Okay? No problem. Sometimes this happens. So now look here. We'll solve the next question. This is one of the question which is very good, came in exam also. Maybe they will give you the value different, but the core content exactly same. So a bridge across a river, sorry, a bridge across a river, I am writing river bigger, a bridge across a river takes an angle of 45 degree. What angle? With the river bank, with the river bank. Okay, makes an angle of what degree beta? 45 degree with the river bank. Okay, if the length of the bridge across the river is, if the length of the bridge across the river is 150 meter. What is the length of the bridge beta? The length of the bridge across the river is given as how much? 150 meter. 150 meter. After that, what we are going to do is, what is the width of the river? What is the width of the river? Come on, I told to type the question fully. So I have Khushbu. My name is Khushbu, sir. You are in which class? Ma'am, doubt is, what is the doubt? Come on. Are we ready to solve this question? Can you say me, please? Do you understood this part? Now listen, beta. Shall we? At distance? See, in between some symbols you have given, that symbol is not... yeah, I know this question. See, complementary means beta, if one angle will be theta, another angle will be 90 minus theta. That is that complementary angle question. But what value you have given, that you need to check one time. Root AB answer, I know this question. Yeah. Complementary angle part question. Just value separately if you will write means we will be able to solve. Yeah. It's not tough question, but yes. Shall we? If one will become alpha beta, another one will become 90 minus alpha. I'll solve the question. Just you say the values correctly, because A and B is there. If it is A and B means B, you have written 2 times, 3 times. Only it is not clear. Distance A and B. Okay, fine. Now I'll find. Distance A and B means I will be able to find. Are you ready for it, beta? Now look here. For this question, so first we are going to draw the bridge and the river. So just consider that this is the river. We will take river as a triangular, what you call rectangular part. So just imagine this is exactly the river. Okay. Now if this is the river, we'll write A, B, C and D. Now the bridge which is drawn, the bridge which is built above the river, it is making what degree? 45 degree. So here, can we take it as 45 degree? The bridge is exactly making what degree? 45 degree. Okay. So this is the bridge. Huh? Oh, so bridge is exactly making what? 45 degree. So the bridge is making with the base. See, that is what they are telling now. With the river bank, the bridge is making how much degree? With the river bank, the bridge is making 45 degree. Done, beta. Now they are telling this is the width of the river. The width of the river is BC. Width of the river. Oh. Width of the river will be exactly what, beta? BC. Now they are telling that the bridge is how much meter? 150 meter. What is the width of the bridge? 150 meter. Understood? So width of the bridge is 150 meter. Thank you so much. So width of the bridge is how much meter? 150 meter. Can we focus only into this triangle? Because 45 degree making now. So because we can cut it anywhere and we can just try to make it as a rectangle. Thank you so much. So now look at it. So in triangle, we will name it as A, B, C, D. Let's take this one out. So in triangle, DBC, which it is right angled at? Right angled at B. Just according to our construction, because see, it is, see, to be frank, if you will know that the bridge is not getting in there. Huh? Okay, here E we can we take, then it will become EB. Okay, then it will become what beta? EBC. Just I'm understanding? ABC, right angle that, then we are only going to focus into this section. Now we need not this much. Just focus here because this is just that part of the bridge. We will write like this also. The bridge will be exactly coming like this. So that means this part only we need. Correct now? Now this is 45 degree beta, and this is what 150 meter given. Again here it is coming as hypotenuse, and this is perpendicular. So what we are going to take? We will take sine 45 degree is equal to BC by EC. Sine 45 value is 1 by root 2. BC we don't know. What is EC beta? EC is 150. So here what you are going to write? 150 by root 2 is equal to BC. Rationalize it. 150 by root 2 into root 2 into root 2 is equal to BC. Therefore, BC is equal to 75 root 2 meter. Got it? So width of the bridge is 75. So it is exactly coming as 75 root 2 meter. Huh? Which school? Ma'am, we have to prove that height of the tower. I'll prove it. Just now I will prove it. Don't worry about it. Totally. I'm just going to read your question one more time. Okay. Now I got that part, Nishant. I'm going to solve it. Just rule. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the 2 point on the ground at a distance A and B. Okay. From the base and in the same straight line are complementary. Prove that the house. The complementary means what, beta? Just 1 minute. I'm going to solve it. Cos 45. Why we will going to? And that is perpendicular only. Now this is perpendicular. Width of the river we are asking, yeah. This is width of the river. No, this is bank. River width. Understood? So I am reading your question. Find. Yes, Yashika. Now shall we start that? Width of the river will be that only. 75 root 2 will be answer. Okay. See, cos 45 is when base and hypotenuse will be there. Sine will be when perpendicular. But a base means bridge is cutting it now. We will not be able. This is not the width of the river. Width of the river means what? This is the width of the river. You are understanding? This is the width. This is the length. Okay. So this is the width. Everyone, please kindly listen to the next question. One student has given one question. I'm going to solve that question. Please kindly listen the question very carefully. Okay. So the student is telling that, just listen carefully. I'm solving it out. Now, beta, the part of the question is the angle of elevation of top of a tower from 2 points. Now, beta, 2 points are there. Point A and point B. So now angle of elevation is considered as 2 points are there. Okay. The angle of elevation we are going to check. The angle of, wait just 1 minute beta. I need to see the question. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points on the ground at distance A and B from the base. So now beta, if I will take, this is the base. So let base be B. What is the base? B. So now first point A, we will take this base as B. So that continuation will be there. This is C and this is D. So that means what beta? From A to C, distance is taken as A. Got it? So from point A to C, what is the distance? A. And point B to C, what is the distance? B. Got it? Now after that, what they are telling that, and in the same straight line are complementary. So complementary means what beta? You know what is the meaning of complementary? Complementary angles means sum of two angle will be equal to 90 degree. Understood? So if I am complementary of you, listen very carefully. If I am complementary of you, if I am X, what will be you? No. First understand, if I am complementary of you, if I am complementary of you, I am X, what you will be? 90 minus X. Understood? So beta, listen, if this is theta and this is gamma, just understand. And the sum of these two will be becoming 90 degree. First understand this. Sum of, that means what? Theta plus gamma will be equal to 90 degree. Then what will be gamma? Gamma of phi, whatever I am just writing simultaneously. So theta minus, sorry, 90 minus theta. So what is the meaning of complementary? If this is X and this is Y, then this part will become directly, can I write complementary? This will become 90 minus theta. This will become what? 90 minus theta. Now after this, it is very, very easy for you to solve. Come on, check this one out. See here, what I did nothing. See, from point A to base, distance is A. Point B to C, what is the distance? B. Now they are telling that the height of the tower should be root under AB. That we will be seeing it is coming or not. Okay. Now, but first we are going to start solving it. Got it? So first, which triangle we are going to take, beta? We will take this putty triangle. Got it? So we'll write in triangle BCD, right angled at. Now our main focus is only this much. B, C, D. This is height of the tower. Let the height of the tower be H. So we'll write here. Let height of tower be H meter. So now here, this is H, this is total B, and this is 90 minus theta. What it is? 90 minus theta. Yes, sir. I did. So it will become what, beta? Tan 90 degree minus theta will be equal to how much, beta? Perpendicular by base. And you know now, complementary angle. Tan 90 minus theta will become cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta will become cot theta. So we'll directly write cot theta will be equal to H by B. And we know also cot theta is nothing but 1 by tan theta. So we'll write 1 by tan theta is equal to H by B. So that means tan theta will be equal to B by H. We will take it as equation 1. Tan theta will be equal to what, beta? B by H. Now we will take complete triangle. Now we are going to write in triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, right angled at C. First time what I did, I took this small triangle. Got it? Now complementary angle was 90 minus theta. Now after that I took the big triangle. In this triangle, you are seeing angle is theta. So what will be the formula, Vishwa? Tan theta is equal to perpendicular. What is our perpendicular, beta? DC. And what is our base? This time total base will be there. So listen, when you are taking this complete triangle, that means what? The total will be exactly what? A. So here what we are going to write? AC. So tan theta is equal to H by A. Done? H by A. Now beta, first equation tan theta is equal to B by H. Second equation tan theta is equal to H by A. Directly you see left side both are equal to tan theta, tan theta. Both are equal to tan theta and tan theta. So what we are going to write? From equation 1 and equation 2, because both side is equal to tan theta, na? Both are same. So what we will write directly, we will equate B by H is equal to H by A. Cross multiply, AB is equal to H square. Now taking root on both sides. The moment you will take root on both sides, AB is equal to H. Therefore, H is equal to root under AB meter. I think Himanshu. Yeah, Himanshu, solved. This was your question, na? Solved it. So I hope you might have understood. So height is exactly coming as what? Yes, sir. I have fasted in Navaratri. Height, here height, hypotenuse, how it will become? BC minus AC. No, BC minus AC, no. I think whose question I have solved? Anyone? My school name. I am teaching in coaching plus I am teaching in school. XY means? I am teaching in Blessing School, Blessings International, plus I am running my own coaching institute. In 2 centers are there. One is in Trikalkundram, one is in Anupuram, and it is in Chennai, Anupuram. I'm doing PhD in mathematics, and my name is Kushbu. Any other information you need? Huh. Chennai, yes, sir. Chennai, Anupuram, yes. Another information you need, I did BSc, I did MSc, I did B.Ed, I cleared CTET, now doing PhD. Next, I'm going to join politics. Done? So H is equal to root under AB. Please teaching. Ah, yeah, I'm going to start CTET beta. CTET for teachers, I'm going to start. Math, science, and pedagogy. I plan to teach those teachers who are writing CTET examination because it is very, very difficult. Yes, Rohit, that's important. I hope everybody understood this one. Come on, say done, clear. So this was the question. Hmm? Fine. So we don't have time, but Kritika, yeah. Now, thanks for information. Thank you so much. Bless you. So now listen, hey, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sine 60-degree value. Come on, online children, start writing the values, please. Typing the values. Sine 60-degree value. Without checking, no cheating. Without checking. Without sine 60-degree value. Oh, the sine 60-degree value. Come on. How this one will run? Sine 60-degree value. Root 3 by 2. Tan 45 degree. 1. Very good. Cot 45 degree. See. Cheaters. Okay, fine. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to? 1. 1 plus tan square theta equal to? 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. Okay. Cot square theta minus cosecant square theta. Absolute. Very good. Correct. Now listen. Next. Minus 1 is correct answer. Minus 1 is correct answer. Sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Say. Sin square 30. Huh? The correct answer is 1. The correct answer is 1. Hey, don't check answers. Without checking, you say. The correct answer will be sin square. See, hey, if somebody will say you sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. Sin square z, cos square z plus cos square z. Always, whatever angle will be there, the angle is same. The answer will always be 1. How was your examination, everyone? Was it good? 1. Yes, absolutely correct. So I'm keeping it till here. Tomorrow morning is science class, 6 o'clock. I'm starting a very good chapter, and that is. Do you want me to start carbonates compound? Huh? I'm going to start heredity, no, carbonates compound. First carbonates compound, after that electricity, then we will start heredity. Okay. Heredity parallelly we can handle here, not at all a problem. Okay, fine. Tomorrow morning, get ready for carbonates compound. Okay? Bye, everyone.